Welcome to our class. Today, we are going to discuss about Kaka. So Kakan or Kaka is baby, Kakan are babies. In Sudanese, Mabaan, in African or Black, you can call it. And that's our topic. So we will look at it and look about the meaning. So, Kaka is a baby. Kakan are babies. Kashi is a child. Kashi is a child. Kagan are children. Kagan are children. Next, let's look at meaning. So Kakan means ambition, dreams, and to climb the tree, to climb up the mountain, to go up high as you can, or as possible as you can. It is to keep your goals and keep moving forward. And for me, what I'm doing here, I want people, Mabaan, or anyone who is willing to learn African or Black or Honkan, language or languages, Sudanese language or languages, at the starting point. So I'm here to make a clarification, to make you to understand the language and meaning of the language in African, in Black, in Mabaan. And that is my hope. That's my mission, is to keep my goals alive. And that's why I'm here. And any support from you, any word, I will appreciate that, Any courage or any support, any help that you can provide on my, channel, that's a lot. I really appreciate that. And I will give you more videos, more information about African, Black, or Sudanese language or languages. Give you oral of Mabaan, tradition oral or tradition speaking of Mabaan. And thank you so much for your help.